Hello, good morning dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 8. Subject is science. This is chapter 4. The name of this chapter is metals and non-metals. This is 8th video on this chapter. We have read many things about the metals, physical properties of metals and non-metals, chemical properties of metals and non-metals. This time we have to read what are the uses of metals. Metals are an integral part of our life. Without metal, just like without plastic, without metal, our life is not possible. And a very common things what we see in different aspects of our life, in all area of our life, we use metals. Our utensils, electric wire, appliances, other electrical appliances, electrical cables, all are made of metals. Road, construction work, buildings all require different types of metals. Agricultural parts and agricultural equipments all are made of metals. So metals have high variety of uses. So metals are an integral part of our life. We shall discuss one by one. It is used for making copper. Copper is used for making electrical wires, cables and various other electrical appliances. And why copper is used for these things? Because it is a good conductor of electricity. Due to being a good conductor of electricity, copper is widely used for making electrical appliances. In our home, we see two types of electric wire. One is made of aluminum, other is made of copper. Other property due to which copper is used for making electric wire is the ductility of the copper. Copper can be converted in the form of wire. Ductility, we have read what is ductility. The ability of metal to change in the form of wire is known as ductility. Copper is ductile also and good conductor of electricity, so it is used for making electric wires. It is used for making utensils, car radiators, because it is good conductor of heat. Copper is good conductor of heat also and good conductor of electricity also. It is also used for making alloys. Alloys are used for making points, pipes and many other things. Alloys is the homogeneous mixture of metals and non-metals. Some metals and non-metals are mixed in a particular proportion, then a new substance is obtained. That new substance is known as alloy. We shall read in detail about the alloy. Second metal is iron. Iron is very hard and strong, so it is used for making bridges, buildings and other construction works. In construction of buildings, road, bridges, we see iron is extensively used, widely used. And these days we see the concrete road, when concrete road is prepared, here also iron is used. Now this is the use of iron, alloy of iron. Stainless steel is an example of alloy of iron. It is used for making utensils. Stainless steel is widely used in our home, and that is an alloy of iron and carbon. Iron is also used for making bolt, chain, wire net, nails, wire nets, nails and other agricultural tools. And the use of iron is very common things. And why iron are used in for different purpose? Because iron is hard, strong, malleable, ductile, and its conductivity is also used. Third is aluminum. What are the uses of aluminum? It is used for making electric wires and utensils due to its high conductivity of heat and electricity. For making electric wire, metal must be ductile and should be good conductor of electricity. And aluminum has both these properties. Aluminum is good conductor of heat also and good conductor of electricity also, due to which it is used extensively. It is used for making electric wires and utensils due to its high conductivity of heat and electricity. Aluminum is ductile. It can be changed in the form of Why? And it is malleable, it can be changed in the form of sheets. Next usage of aluminum. Aluminum is used for making pens to prevent rusting of iron. Aluminum paint is a very common thing. We use also in our home. It is used for making body part of the aircraft. And why it is used for making body part of aircraft? Because it is very light and strong also. Then what property of aluminum are mainly used? The ductility of aluminum, malleability of aluminum, and its good conductivity of heat and electricity. Due to all these properties, aluminum is used for different purposes. Suppose there will be one question, why, due to which property of aluminum is used for making electric wire? Then what will be our answer? Our answer will be due to being good conductor of electricity and ductility, aluminum is used for making electric wire. Now gold and silver, they are used for making jewelries and decorative items. And why gold and silver is used for making jewelry and decorative items? Very common, we have studied, because they are lustrous and highly malleable and ductile. And gold and silver are noble metal. Noble metal means they does not react with anything, and when their ornaments, jewelry or other decorative items are prepared and that is being used, due to living in atmosphere, even after long time they do not get corroded. Gold and silver do not react with oxygen or any other constituent of air, water and any other gases present in the atmosphere, and so they remain as it is at initial stage. And due to this property, due to being inertness, they are used for making jewelries. And other properties such as lustrous, malleability and ductility also responsible for being used of the gold and silver as ornaments and other decorative items. Then what is gold and silver? They are used for making jewelry and decorative items because they are lustrous, highly malleable and ductile. They also do not get corroded. Even after use of long time, they do not get corroded and they remain lustrous. They have a shining appearance, so they are used for making jewelry. Now lead. It is used for making electrodes of the batteries, especially in case of batteries of automobile, it is used for making electrodes. Zinc. It is used, lead. Now zinc. It is used in dry cell, in galvanization and for making alloy. Galvanization is a process in which a coating of zinc is provided over the iron. Iron is a corrosive metal. When iron live in the atmosphere for long time, then it react with the oxygen and water vapor present in the atmosphere and get corroded. We shall read corrosion in next video. And to prevent the corrosion of iron, a layer of zinc is provided over iron. When a thin layer or thin coating of zinc is provided over iron, that process is known as galvanization. Zinc is used for galvanization and for making alloys also. Many other alloys are used for making iron. Chromium. It is used for electroplating an iron object. Electroplating means in electroplating a thin layer of required metal is provided over other metal. A coating of required metal is deposited over the other metal. It is used in handles of bicycles because it is corrosion resistant and lustrous. And we use bicycle, all of us use bicycle, and handles of bicycles are very shining, that has white shining. And we know due to strength that handles are made of iron. Iron is so white and so lustrous. Then how and why the handles of bicycle is shining? A thin layer of chromium has provided over the handles and many other parts of the cycle. Due to this thin layer of chromium, that is shining, the appearance is shining, and that is corrosion resistance. Chromium is used for electroplating of iron object because it is corrosion resistance and lustrous. Ly, a homogeneous solution of metal and non-metals. In Ly, one thing is necessary, one part must be metal, other parts may be metal or non-metal, that is known as Ly. Ly is used to develop required property in metal. This time we have read the usage of metals. We shall again read usage of other usage of metals, then usage of non-metals, corrosion, etc. These all many other topics are there to be discussed. Thanks.